SBO2 and SWO2 designs from our catalog if you are building those, or if you're interested in building them, you can get over to our website BWTMTBrickworks.com, click on our catalog, and you can buy instructions for either of those guys, and these guys will fit inside. So we've got Rumble and Frenzy, or Frenzy and Rumble, depending on which one you think is red and which one you think is blue. Don't start the debate here. But you may remember in the G1 cartoon, the blue one was called Rumble, although the toy was called also Rumble, and they were mixed up. So it depends what incarnation or what you believe. Who is blue and who is red doesn't matter. They're cool little guys that come out of Soundwave, his little minions. So without further ado, let's show you how to build one of these guys. So believe it or not, you'll need all this just to build the robot, not even the accessories. So go pause the video here if you need to get all these little parts, and then I'll show you how to get it all put together. Okay, so once you've got all your little pieces together, let's get starting to building. So we'll start with the body. So you're going to get the piece, the Technic piece with the hole in it, and 2 of these L-shaped pieces. And you're just going to take one L shape on each side and make a T, I guess you want to call it, like so. Okay. From there, you're going to get 4 of these dots and put one on each of the exposed plates, studs of the plates that you just put on underneath. Okay, like that. Then you're going to get 4 of these old MIDI figure hands, and you can still get them easily on Bricklink. You're going to take one, and you're going to put one on every one of those dots we just put on. These will be the sockets for the arms and the legs. Okay, so that's what you have now. And again, don't fret, friends, they are available. Again, you want your 4 1x1 round in black, and just cover each of the holes like so. This is what you should have so far, which is the main component of the body. From there, again, 2 more of these, and you're just going to sandwich everything together. Keep it nice and firm. So there you go. You've got a L-piece sandwich. Okay. From here, I guess we can build the head. You're going to take a 1x1 dark gray and just push it into the hole down here. A 1x1 translucent red, put it on a bit of an angle to make the visor, and a 1x1 black, and again put it at a different angle to be the top of the head. Okay, let's do the chest detail next. We're going to take a 1x4, place it on like this, and we're going to take a jumper plate and put it below, okay, like this. Then you're going to take your golden grill piece, or silver depending on which pot you're building, and 1 round smooth gold piece and another round, so make the cassette deck piece and the chest as well. From there, we're going to take one of the 1x2 smooth tiles and a 1x1 just plate, put it together like so, and this is going to become the cod piece. Okay, so we'll put that down for now. Let's build the legs first. So for the legs, we're going to need 2 of these guys with a ball and socket. And for this guy, it's red. So we're going to do the same thing twice. I'll just do it quickly. So we're going to take a 1x2 red and put it underneath the gray socket like this. A 1x1, put it like this. A cheese slope, put it like this, pointing at the ball. And a 1x1 tile like this. And we're going to do it twice. So we'll just do that quickly again. Boom. Okay, and that gives us the thighs. Alright, so we'll set them down for now over there. Let's make ourselves some feet. So we're going to get 2 of these light gray ball joint socket pieces. And we're going to take a 2x2 black piece, put it behind like so. We're going to then take a 1x2, put it there, and do we need another one? I think we could use another one. Yep. Oh, you don't have to. You don't need to use one. And then you get yourself a slope piece like this, and you get yourself a 1x2 flat like this, and you made yourself a boot. And we're just going to do that again. Okay. And then you have feet. Okay. So we get those out of the way for now. So we're just going to finish up. We need to build arms. So arms are very simple. They're just going to be a mirror image of each other. You're going to take another gray piece with the ball, and for the left arm, and if we're making red on the top, we are going to take this swivel piece, but don't worry, all you really need is a red one and a black one. You're just going to take them apart and make mirror images of each other and separate them, put them back together like that. From there, you're going to take this black piece with the little claw on it, slap it on here like so, and then you are going to, what are we going to do next? Oh, did I do that wrong? Yes, I did. Sorry, you're going to put that on the bottom instead, so like that on the bottom, and then you're just going to finish it off with a nice red tile and black tile, and there you have an arm. And we're just going to build the complete opposite in the other direction. So we're going to have this piece, piece of the claw, piece there, and a piece like that. Okay? And we're pretty much done everything we need to be done for the body in there. Okay? So we can put it all together. I'm going to take a boot, and a leg, a boot. I sound very Canadian today, and a leg. And then you're going to just want to take this guy, and you want to put one leg on here, one leg on here. You can see very much what we're going for here. Right arm on there, and left arm on here. And there you have your Decepticon in robot mode. Okay, so let's pause here again because we're going to need some pieces to build his gun accessories. So we're going to build his gun accessories. So pause here and I will show you what pieces you're going to need to do that. So again, pause here and go grab all the pieces you're going to need to build this guy. You can see them all here to build his weapon accessories. Okay, so as I said, go stop the video here if you need to. Go grab all these pieces, and you can do it in light gray or dark gray, it doesn't matter, and it'll look cool either way. Okay, so let's build his accessory pieces. So we're going to take a 1x2 plate and then turn it around and put a 1x1 dot on like so. From here we're going to take a Travis brick and a Technique brick with one hole, and you're just going to stick them together like this, and we're going to put it on with the Travis brick sitting on top of the round brick like so. From there we're going to take this piston T-joint and shove it in there, jumper plate on top. Okay, in the hole here we are going to put a 1x1 brick and plate, sorry, and a tooth like this. We're then going to put on a 1x1 round and a 1x1 cone. And there you have it. Then we're just going to quickly do the opposite. So we're going to go like this, like this. Again, it's almost exactly the same, just a mirror image. Okay. and then you're gonna obviously do the opposite and shove that in. And you have your two weapon pieces, and you can put them on the back if you like that, or you can hold it in his hand. And I don't think I changed these much or at all from my older design, because they work pretty well. Okay, so there, oops, there, come back, weapon, come back. So there is his weapon mode, or his weapon, whatever you want to call it. It's his weapon. Okay, so there he is. I'll bring back his pal, and you can build these guys in any color you like, make them into blasters minions as well, and you can even do pinkish and do the, I can't remember her name, is the girl from Kiss Players, whatever, but basically you make yourself into this little robot. And the transformation real quick, you're just going to remove the weapons, and you're going to take the head and line up all the pieces so they're straight, and take this and put it like this. You can hear how nice and tight that is, and you're just going to cross the arms to cover the face like so, like he's playing peekaboo. And take the legs on each side and bring them up, and he transforms pretty much like a sound wave figure, and you're just going to do that. And there's your cassette data recorder, whatever you want to call it. Cassette mode. Okay. So there you go. I hope this inspires you to build your own crazy creations out of Lego. Hope you guys will stop by and pick up our Soundwave or Sound Blaster, and you can use them with him. Or if you build your own cassettes, you will need a hole or space about at least, I can't remember offhand, but I believe it is 5 bricks by 8 bricks for the, and then probably what, 2.5 bricks deep, so you can fit them in. But there you go. Again, happy building, everyone. Hope you enjoy these little guys. I enjoy building them as well. They're really fun, and they're really posable as well. So until next time, everyone, happy building. We'll talk to you soon. Take care.